Veganuary, day 25. It's time for nachos. This is such a tasty and easy and fun dinner. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Cook 1 chopped onion in a pan with some oil. Add some veggie mince and a tablespoon of taco seasoning. Take a bag of lime organic salsa chips. I'm using Athabasca. Sprinkle with 2 chopped tomatoes and 1 chopped green pepper. And the mince. Now we're gonna add a jar of salsa. And sprinkle with vegan grated cheese. I'm using Daiya dairy-free cheddar. Next, take 2 avocados, a pinch of paprika, a squirt of lime juice, and some fine sea salt, and mix it all together. That will give you a nice guacamole. And put this in the oven for 10 minutes. All right, let's try it. That's so good. The cheese makes it amazing. The onions and the beef give it a kick. That's so good.